This is my Phoenix, Arizona, downtown Roosevelt Neighborhood video. So today, let's see what makes this awesome downtown neighborhood tick. First of all, it's a great place to live. And by the way, I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham, and if you haven't done so already, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel, and that way you'll get notified every time I upload new videos right here on this channel every Thursday. Now let me show you why I think the Roosevelt District in downtown Phoenix is one of the most exciting places to live in the entire city. Now, if you think the Roosevelt District might be right for you, one of the places that you're going to frequent is the Gold Spot Marketing Center. No, it's not a place where you do marketing. No, it's not that. It's a shopping center that was developed back in 1925, and it was a big hit. Before that, everybody had to shop in downtown Phoenix. So no matter what neighborhood you lived in, you went to downtown Phoenix, the very central portion of the corridor, to do your shopping. Then when the Gold Spot went in, it started a new trend, and it was really popular because all the people who lived in this neighborhood were able to shop there. For a lot of years, one of the popular businesses there was the Cambria Italian Deli. It was there until the early 80s, and in 1983 through 2003, the entire center was in disrepair and it was boarded up. Then finally, somebody got smart, remodeled the whole thing, and today it's 100% leased out. Lolo's Cafe is a little coffee shop over there, and like all good coffee shops, it's like a magnet for this community. Everybody goes there, and if you want to find out what's going on with anybody or anything, chances are they're talking about it over at Lolo's. And right now I'm standing in front of the Westward Ho Hotel in downtown Phoenix. It opened in 1928, and during its original design, it was going to be called the Roosevelt Hotel. And then it changed hands. In 1949, they popped a big antenna up on top, and that antenna was put up there for the very first TV station in Phoenix, CBS Channel 5. And after the hotel closed in 1980, the new owners converted it into housing for the elderly and mobilely impaired. And it still operates as that today. When Kenilworth was put here, the sole purpose was to make sure that the world knew that Phoenix was for real, that it was going to be a big time town, and it was designed to help attract people to our city. And today, it's still one of the more prominent elementary schools in the entire city of Phoenix. So straight across from Kenilworth is a nice little dog park. There's probably a dozen dogs and their owners over there right now. Looks like everybody's having fun. Fingers crossed it stays that way. But yeah, one nice new development that the city added a few years back to enhance this area. Nice little dog park. I'm walking in front of the new Cambria Hotel in downtown Phoenix, and today's January 1st, so they had a big time party in there, but I've already cleared it with the people at the desk. They said it's all cleaned up. It's okay for us to go up on the roof and take some shots, so let's go. One of the nicest things about living in downtown Phoenix is all the free art. See what I mean? It's everywhere. Artists are covering these buildings with beautiful murals. It seems like there's a new one every week. I mean, check this thing out. So I'm over at the Churchill, and I love all the cool murals coming up here in Phoenix, and I saw this guy painting this mural over here, and I thought I'd ask him about it, and it's a great story. So I wanted to introduce you to him. There he is right there. What's your name?
Hi, my name's Tim Brennan.
Yeah, Tim is drawing this mural, or painting this mural for a really unique reason. He's actually proposing to his girlfriend pretty soon, and this mural is a part of that. So Tim, why don't you tell us about how this is working?
Yeah, so my girlfriend's really into cats, and I'm really into her. And so I thought it'd be really fun to paint a mural as a marriage proposal. But instead of "Will you marry me?" it's gonna read "Will you meowie me?"
Awesome,
Yeah.
love that. So you're working on this with your father-in-law, right?
Well, hopefully soon to be.
Yeah.
If she says yes.
Awesome.
Yeah, so he actually taught me how to sign paint and do murals. So it's been a real family affair, kind of like painting. And we had my mom and dad out here yesterday doing all the base coats. Yeah, so it's just been a really fun family affair. So,
cool.
And then tomorrow is the reveal. I'm going to bring her through and do the whole thing. So
I won't spoil it. I won't post this until later.
Don't post it until after tomorrow.
Yeah, I won't do it.
Yeah.
And hey, if anybody wanted to follow you on Instagram and find your murals, how would they find you?
Yeah, greatnotgood.co. That's my company in Instagram.
And you've got murals all over the valley.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Slowly getting more as we go. So.
Well, they're great. I love the way they make the city look. Thanks for telling us about this one.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah.
And check these out. These are built with shipping containers. Really well done. And hey, I just want to let you know my next video is at the Arizona Biltmore. Go over there and I'll see you at the Biltmore. See ya.